artistic value like monuments, historical buildings, paintings, and landmarks. These items are important because they represent nation's heritage and identity. Protecting them helps preserve our ancestors' legacy, allowing future generations to connect with history and roots. Tangible tourism involves physical objects or sites that can be seen, touched, and visited. This includes landmarks, historical buildings, museums, natural attractions like parks and beaches. For example, visiting a historical monument or exploring a natural reserve. Intangible tourism, in other hand, focus on experience and cultural practices that cannot be physically touched or seen, but are felt or experienced. This includes traditions, festivals, local customs, and oral histories, performance, and culinary experiences. For example, participating in local festival or enjoying traditional music. Cultural property, both tangible and intangible tourism, preserve identity and history. It enriches tourism by fostering cultural understanding and supporting sustainable economic growth.